just got a delivery that I'm really excited about and I want to show you. I've been thinking about how to create compost in our garden, and I'm wanting to use my kitchen waste. I don't like putting anything really food waste in the compost bin because of possible rat problems. So I've just got this thing that I want to show you I'm quite excited about. So I've just ordered and it's arrived 2 what they call Bokashi bins. It was amazing value. It was from a company called Natural Collection, I think, in the UK, and it was like £26 for 2. So they're like really big food waste bins. I thought they'd be about the same size as our food waste bin, but they're about double the size of that. So that's a bit too big to get under the sink. But anyway, it's got loads of space. So inside there's this little filter. And what happens is that you put your food waste in, and apparently you can put any food waste. Can be dairy and meat and all sorts, and as the juice drips down to the bottom, it collects under there to stop everything going completely mushy, and you put a tap on there. So in this bag it looks like we've got an information sheet and a little scoop. I think this you use to tamper down the products because it's got to be anaerobic, I think. So this is the scoop for the bran that you have to put in. And this is the tap, which I presume is really easy to just slot onto that, I expect. So I'll do that when I've got 2 hands. So in the package, which contains 2 of these, it's amazing value, isn't it? You get this big bag of the Bokashi bran. So I believe you put a layer of food waste and then a scoop of the Bokashi bran on the top. So let me just do that and show you. Right, so I've put the yucky stuff in there: eggshells, banana peels, tea bags, loads of stuff. There's this really good little booklet on here which shows you exactly what to do. So it says you can transform all food waste, including cooked food, meat, fish and cheese, into a super healthy, nutrient-rich compost with the help of this small and compact system in your kitchen. No smells, no flies. That's brilliant, isn't it? Once treated in the Bokashi bin, this material can safely be turned into compost. So you can really effectively recycle kitchen organic waste and make compost. No smells, no fruit flies. Will rebuild the soil in your garden. This is what you can put in it, and you can't put. That's really obvious, isn't it? The things that you can't put in there. So you get a double kit. You get 2 of these bins because one of them you can, once you've filled it, you can leave it for a couple of months while you fill the other one so that it does its fermenting stuff. So that's why you get 2, and you get this big bag of bran as well. So it says before use, fit the tap. Did that was really easy. It's got 2 plastic washers, so I put one on the inside and one in the outside and just screwed the plastic tap on. That was easy to do once I'd taken out the plastic filter thing, just taken that out, and it's the tap hole is underneath there. And then it says simply put your cooked and uncooked food scraps into the bin, which I've done. Sprinkle a handful of Bokashi on the top each time you put scraps into the bucket. try and cover the whole thing with the bran and press it down using this thing they call a trowel to extract the air. Keep the lid shut at all times. This is an anaerobic composting system. The less air, the better. Right, so let's give this a go then. So this is the bran in here. I need, oh, there's my little scoop there. So try and get a scoopful of the bran, and I'm going to use a bit more, I think. So let's try and cover the whole thing. I think that's pretty good, and then I sort of tamper it down. Pressing that down. So at the moment, thankfully it doesn't smell too bad, but I think it gives off quite a sweet smell. So I'm really squashing this as much as I can. I'm going to have to clean this trowel thing. And then I've got to put the lid on. So it comes with a really good, it's strong, this lid, nice and strong. And I think it clips on there somehow. Yeah, so it's clipping into place. I need to do that with 2 hands. Yeah, there we go. And leave that until I've got some more. So you can see the tap at the moment. I'm pretty sure that's in a closed position. Nothing's going to come out of it at the minute because it hasn't done its stuff yet. But I believe that's an open position. So I think you have to, every so often, let the juice out. And you can pour the juice down the sink, apparently, and it actually cleans out your sink, which is amazing. Or you can use it in the garden as like a fertilizer. So I'm really excited to get going on it, and I'll give you an update and tell you how it's all going further down the road. And let me encourage you to go Bokashiing as well. Let me know if you do. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.